What if there was a way to earn $100 repeatedly with no effort, no investment, and no prior experience? Well, $5 may seem little, but it adds up rapidly and you can expect to see your balance grow every day. In reality, many people around the world are currently earning $100 to $500 or more per day with this secret method. And they're simply regular people who have seized this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Now you're in luck because you clicked on this video, and by watching it right now, you'll be one of the lucky few to learn about the secret method and be one step ahead of the other. In this quick video, I'll show you everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free demo as an example, as well as some exclusive bonus steps to earn double money faster, so stay tuned. Get started with a tutorial right away. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website right here, where you can look for different photos and pictures that you can download for free. Now I want you to look up the phrase black and white photos in your search engine. Take a look at all of these black and white photos right here. There are no colors in these photos, and this is exactly our opportunity to earn money online by using all of these black and white photos right here. By the way, the website we're using is called Pexels.com. Then after that, I want you to go to Hotpot.ai. This website basically allows you to colorize black and white images. For example, if your photo is black and white, like this one on the left, you can use this free website to colorize it, and this can help you make money online. So if you go down on this website, you can see over here where you can upload black and white images, and you can alter a black and white photo like this right here into a colored picture like this, and then sell them for $5, $10, or $20 just by doing that for free. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of how to do it. I'll show you a couple of websites where we can start making money by selling this service to others. When you scroll down below, click on this colorization factor where you can choose whatever you like. Then click on this button to select the photographs that should be black and white. So I'll go ahead and click this button right here, and I'll be able to upload photos to this website, and remember, you can do this on your phone as well. So right now, I'll choose one of these photos and I'll start uploading these black and white photos to this website. And as you can see, the original photo is actually a black and white photo. This free website is quite cool because it allows you to colorize your images. So as you can see, we can directly compare and you will see that these photos are truly having colors from black and white photos. This is pretty cool since you can upload photos with only one click of a button and you can do it for free without any expertise on this website. The next step is to download the results by clicking on this download button here. As you can see, I started downloading these photos on my computer, but you can do it on your phone as well. I'll just click on these photos to show you the end result, and I've successfully converted the black and white photos into colored ones, and I'm able to download them for free on this website. And I don't even need to sign up for an account, so this is a fantastic opportunity for you. So just go ahead and download these pictures right here. So that's the first thing you can do with this website, which is coloring pictures. Let us now return to the base. I'll show you a second option that you can use pictures to do, such as this website, remove.bg. Basically, you can do this for free on this website, and it's completely automated. On this website, you can remove the background of a photo, such as this one with the girl and then our trees and all the backgrounds behind her. So once you use this software and this website right here, you can actually remove the background and leave just the girl and the guy right there. This is exactly how you can remove the background using this new opportunity. So now go back and click on this blue button right here to upload a picture right here. And as you can see here, with just one click of a button, I've submitted the original photo to remove.bg, and this will automatically remove the background. So go ahead and click on this blue download button. As you can see, I can start downloading this without even opening an account or spending money on this page. And you can do it on your computer or on your phone, and it doesn't matter. Now I'd like to show you a few places where you can generate money by using their services. Fiverr.com is the first. Once you've arrived at this page, enter in a keyword, such as colorized photos, and then press the search button right here, and you'll be taken to this page. You'll see people selling the service from all over the world, And if you go down below, you'll see people colorizing a black and white photo. Take this one for example. They turned these black and white photos into colorful ones. I believe it costs $10 to do so. And as you can see, there are people who have commented on the services. This indicates that people are genuinely paying for the services. There are many people from all over the world who are earning from this opportunity to color black and white photos. You can do the same thing using the Hotpot.ai website, which I have previously shown. So let's assume the seller right here is providing his professional coloring services, and all he does is color black and white photos into colorful pictures that he can sell for a particular amount of money. So let's go to the calculator. And as you can see here, with $10, he's making $600 to $700 because there are 670 individuals buying his service. That's a significant amount of money you can make by coloring photographs on a free website like this one. And what's even better is that you can create your own basic package, a standard package for $30, or even a premium package for $50, making the earning potential much greater. So if you want to sign up for a free account on Fiverr and start selling and making money online, all you have to do is go ahead and click on this Become a Seller, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account, as you can see here. To become a seller, simply click on this green button. You can enter your email address right here, then click the Proceed button. The second website I'd like to present to you for more money-making chances is peopleperhour.com. When you use the search button, you'll notice that there are a lot of people selling various services on this website. Now I want you to type in the term background removal and hit the search button. As you can see, there are people advertising background removal services for as much as $35, only to remove a background, which is precisely what we can do using the remove.bg website. You can see it's quite simple to do this in a few seconds, with a few clicks, and start selling the services on this website. And as you can see by scrolling down below, there are a lot of sellers that are generating money by just removing the background of images, exactly like I showed you earlier. People are now selling this service for $15, $25, $10, and even $40. So if you're just getting started, all you have to do is charge $5 and sell a lot of them. Now it appears that there are a lot of photos, but as you can see here, it's quite simple to remove the background. It's quite simple to remove the background automatically without any expertise. So that's the opportunity that I wanted to offer you. So if you want to sign up for a free account on peopleperhour.com, go ahead and click on this one right here, and then come over to this page to sign up. Make sure you select this category, I want to work as a freelancer, and then click this button to join up with an email address. Then right here, enter your name, email address, and password to create a free account. And that is exactly how you can make money on Fiverr and peopleperhour.com by using these websites, hotspot.ai and remove.bg. Okay, that concludes today's tutorial. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel.